Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today we're going to look at If It's Magic by Stevie Wonder from his 1976 album entitled Songs in the Key of Life. The song was written and produced by Stevie Wonder. The production, just like the song, is beautifully simple and involves simply Dorothy Ashby playing the harp and Stevie Wonder on vocals with a splash of harmonica at the end. I suggest playing acoustic piano. The song is in the key of E. As usual, you'll find the song arrangement and chord sheet in the description box below. If you find these videos helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe. So, without further ado, let's take a look at this.